What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to learn the operations of LG air conditioner remote control. I will cover every function of this remote control, so stay tuned for the rest of video. First, insert the batteries, remove the battery cover and insert the new batteries and then set the battery cover as before. If you have already installed the batteries, then skip this step. Now on the screen at the bottom right, time is blinking. We have to set the current time by pressing the up and down buttons. Set to the current time and then press set cancel button to finish. To start the operation, press the on off button once to turn on the air conditioner, and to stop the operation, press the on off button again to turn off the air conditioner. The air conditioner will start at the default temperature, which is 24 degrees Celsius. It will be displayed on the indoor unit and also on the remote control. Moving to the next function, comfort air. Press this button once, the position of vane sets to the upward direction, and again press this button once, the position of vane sets to the downward side. Press this button in sequence, it conveniently sets the horizontal vane to preset position. This icon is displayed on the remote screen to indicate at which position the vane is set, and also this icon will display on the indoor unit. To disable the function, press swing button, then the auto swing function will be enabled. Again press this button to disable the auto swing function, and now the position of vane will remain at the fixed position. Moving to the next function is light off button. To turn off the indoor unit display, press this button once and again press this button to turn on the indoor unit display. The air conditioner operates in different operation modes for different seasons. To adjust the operation mode of your choice, use this button, that is mode button. Each pressing of this button advances the mode setting in sequence. Cool mode, auto changeover mode, dehumidification mode, heat mode and fan mode. Now let's understand all these modes one by one. First, cool mode. This icon on the remote screen indicates the cool mode is active. In this mode, air conditioner will cool the room and we can set the temperature between 16 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Press the temperature up and down button to set the desired temperature. The set temperature will be displayed on the remote screen and also on the indoor unit display. Moving to the next, auto changeover mode. This icon on the remote screen indicates that auto changeover mode is active. In this mode, air conditioner will automatically change the mode to cool or heat to maintain the set temperature at ±2 degrees Celsius. Press temperature up and down button to set the desired temperature. Moving to the next, dehumidification mode or monsoon mode. This icon on remote screen indicates the monsoon mode is active. This mode removes the excess moisture from the room during the rainy season. In this mode, the temperature is set to 24 degrees Celsius. We cannot change it, but we can set the fan speed of our choice to maintain the optimum level of humidity. Moving to next, heat mode. This icon on the remote screen indicates the heat mode is active. In heat mode, we can set the temperature from 16 degree to 30 degrees Celsius. In heat mode, the 5-in-1 function is not available. Next is fan mode. This icon on remote screen indicates the fan mode is active, and this icon is displayed on the indoor unit. This mode only circulates the indoor air without changing the room temperature. Press the fan speed button to adjust the fan speed. Moving to next function, fan speed. Each pressing of the fan speed button adjusts the airflow rate setting in sequence. This icon on remote screen indicates a low, and F1 is displayed on the indoor unit, then medium low and F2 displayed on the indoor unit, and similarly medium with F3, medium high with F4 and high with F5 displayed on the indoor unit. F1 to F5 will display for 5 seconds on the indoor unit display and then return to setting temperature. The fan speed of natural wind adjusts automatically when this icon is displayed on remote screen. Moving to the next function, 5-in-1 or 4 mode function. Press this button in sequence to activate this function. In first step, the power input decreased by 20% compared to the rated input power, and the air conditioner runs at 80% of its capacity. This icon is displayed on the remote screen and also on the indoor unit. In second step, the power input is decreased by 40% compared to rated power, and the air conditioner will runs at 60% of its capacity. This icon is displayed on remote screen and also on the indoor unit display. In third step, the power input is decreased by 60% compared to the rated power and the air conditioner will runs at 40% of its capacity. This icon is displayed on remote screen and also on the indoor unit display. Again press this button. Now air conditioner will runs at 100% of its capacity. This function is available in cool mode only. To check the set temperature, press the fan speed button or temperature up down button. It will show the set temperature for 5 seconds. If you want a live power consumption test of air conditioner, then let me know in the comment section. Next is jet mode function. This function allows you to cool indoor air quickly during summers or warm it quickly in winter. For the cooling and heating models, the jet mode function is available with cooling, heating and dehumidification modes, and for only cooling models available with cooling, dehumidification, fan, auto operation mode and air purification function. Press the jet mode button to enable. This icon is displayed on remote screen and on the indoor unit display. In this mode, strong air blows out for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, air conditioner will sets temperature to 18 degrees Celsius for cooling mode and 30 degrees Celsius for heating mode. To cancel jet mode before 30 minutes, press the jet mode button or fan speed button or press the temperature up down button. Next is swing mode. First we discuss vertical swing. Press this button in sequence to select the desired direction. Each pressing of this button adjusts the vane position. This icon on remote screen indicates the airflow direction. When this icon is displayed, the vane will continuously move in an up and down direction. Similarly, in horizontal swing, press this button in sequence to select the desired direction of airflow. An indication of airflow direction will be displayed on remote screen with these icons. When this icon is displayed, then horizontal deflector will continuously move in left and right direction. Press the room temperature button to know the current room temperature. About 5 seconds, the room temperature is displayed on the remote screen. Smart diagnosis using a smartphone function is also enabled from this button. I will create a separate video on this function. Next is sleep function. This function turns off the air conditioner automatically when you go to sleep. Press this sleep button. This icon starts blinking on the remote screen. Press the setting up and down button to select the hours up to 7 hours. Then press the set cancel button to set the sleep function. This icon is displayed on remote screen and this icon on the indoor unit. The indoor unit display from 1H to 7H, which is displayed only for 5 seconds and then returns to the setting temperature. In cooling and dehumidification mode, the temperature increases by 1 degree Celsius after 30 minutes and additional 1 degree Celsius after another 30 minutes for a more comfortable sleep. The temperature increases up to 2 degrees Celsius from the preset temperature. To cancel this operation, press the sleep button once and then press the set cancel button. Next is timer on off function. This function turns the air conditioner on or off automatically at the desired time. First, let's see how to set the on timer. Press this timer button. This on icon blinks on the remote screen. Then press setting up and down buttons to select the time. Press the set cancel button. After selecting the time, the current time and on icon are displayed on the remote screen, indicating that on timer is active. To cancel, press the timer button. This on icon starts blinking, then press the set cancel button. Now setting the off timer function, press the timer button in sequence. When this off icon starts blinking on a remote screen, then press the setting up and down button to select the time. Press the set cancel button after selecting the time. After setting the timer, the current time and off icons are displayed on remote screen. To cancel, press timer button. This off icon starts blinking, then press set cancel button. On-off timers can be set together. To cancel all timer settings, press set cancel button. Moving to the next function button. Press the function button and press the set cancel button to activate this auto clean function. This icon is displayed on remote screen. In cooling and dehumidification mode, moisture is generated inside the indoor unit. This function will remove the such moistures. To cancel, press the function button and then set cancel button. To reset remote control, insert the pin into this hole and press it. This will reset the remote control and time starts blinking. I already explained before how to set the current time. So those are all the functions of LG air conditioner. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comments. Also, you can connect with me on Instagram. So we will meet in next video. Till then, goodbye.